Good evening, race fans, and thank you for joining us for live closing lap coverage of the Desert Rain 80. We focus on our leader, Sean Trim, who has gambled with the undercut pit strategy. He's closely pursued by Tyler Wallace on a fresh set of tires tracking him down. Let's join him in the cockpit. There's a significant difference in pace, but the laps are dwindling. Can Tyler do it, or will Sean hold him off? They cross the line for lap 73. Big gain there for Tyler into 1 and 2. Tyler is knocking at the door. Can Sean handle the pressure? Will he defend? And Tyler goes down low. Can he finish the pass? Side by side through the straight. Tyler noses out front and clears. We have a new leader, Tyler Wallace in the number 2 AC Delco Chevrolet. I would have to assume at this point it's pretty well decided those fresh tires are going to be a big advantage. Can Sean fight back? We have 5 laps to decide it here in Phoenix. It is looking as though Tyler is pulling away. The tire advantage is too much. It was a star-studded field here in the Desert Rain 80. At a field of 8 cars. Unfortunately, Marius's team forgot to take his car off the trailer. He did not make the start. We've had a litany of retirements. It seemed as though many cars just pulled over and parked. And here comes Tyler, still closely followed by Sean, but the gap is increasing. Crossing the line for lap 79, 2 laps to go. Can Sean find something? Or is that rubber just too worn out? Sends it into 3 and 4. Our drivers take the white flag. It is looking as though Tyler Wallace will take home some hardware today. Can he hang on to it? Coming out of turn 4, Tyler Wallace will win the Desert Rain 80. That AC Delco team has got to be elated. What an important victory. Really setting the tone here in the DDP Grand National East Series. What a run. Folks at home, we appreciate you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. I don't know. Feels a little bit gratuitous, but okay.